Thanks. Despite what Sheriff Youngblood said yesterday about inviting the district attorney to look at the David Silva death investigation, Lisa Green says she had already decided to conduct an independent review of the case. 23 ABC's Chris Ornelas explains why she wants the public to trust in the system.
33-year-old David Silva died after being beaten by Kern County deputies May 8th, but the coroner has ruled that's not what caused his death. Many people on social media are wondering what's next in the case. Kern County District Attorney Lisa Green says her office will do an independent review of the sheriff's office case.
I felt that an independent review was important. I am the chief law enforcement in Kern County, and I think that the citizens of this county look to me to do justice.
One of the questions is whether the DA can challenge the autopsy results.
I can recall one case that I was personally involved with that we did dispute the pathologist's finding in Kern County and sought an opinion of a different pathologist out of San Diego County.
The coroner's office is under the sheriff's authority, and some have asked if that could have affected the autopsy results.
It's called confirmation bias. It's a term that means that people who work in a particular field have tunnel vision for that field.
Never suspected that an autopsy was not done in an appropriate manner.
Some have also asked if there's a conflict in having the DA review the sheriff. The district attorney says even though she works with the sheriff's office on cases every day, she will not be pressured by anyone. There's also the question of whether the deputies could still be disciplined or criminally charged.
It sounds like from what the sheriff had to say that everything was within policy, so the sheriff has tied his own hands. He can't take a job action against somebody who he's patted on the back and said you did the job correctly.
Sheriff Donnie Youngblood said yesterday the deputies involved in the Silva incident will return to duty soon. Humphrey says local charges are unlikely, but if the FBI finds civil rights violations, federal charges are possible.
The FBI is actually reviewing for violations of civil rights. We review for violations of California state law, so that the purposes are a little bit different.
Green says for now she is asking for the public's patience.
Hopefully they have faith in the integrity of this office, that we are not a rubber stamp of any police department or sheriff's department in Kern County, and that we will do our best to provide a truthful and accurate answer.
In Bakersfield, Chris Ornelas, 23 ABC.
And the attorney for the Silva family postponed a news conference called for today. He says he will hold that news conference next week after his experts have had a chance to look at the autopsy results.